President Trump's use of a rare wartime power facing a new legal test.
These are bad people that should have never been allowed into our country.
Today, Mr. Trump defended his administration's mass deportation policy, including the removal this month of alleged migrant gang members who were flown out and sent to an El Salvadoran prison under the Alien Enemies Act, which does not provide due process. The president says he declared members of the Venezuelan gang TDA as foreign terrorists subject to immediate expulsion.
We're getting the bad ones out first, and we're taking them out.
Today, a three-judge federal appeals panel heard arguments as Trump administration lawyers seek to overturn Judge James Boasberg, who temporarily blocked deportation flights using the 18th century law. The administration says the judge went too far.
The district court's order represents an unprecedented and enormous intrusion upon the powers of the executive branch.
In a notable court exchange, Judge Millett raised concerns about the deportations.
There were plane loads of people. There were no procedures in place to notify people. Nazis got better treatment under the Alien Enemy Act.
A literal reference to the law's use during World War II that prompted this response from the government's lawyer.
Well, Your Honor, we certainly dispute the Nazi analogy.
While Trump border czar Tom Homan reacted with outrage.
We removed terrorists. And to compare that any way whatsoever with Nazis is disgusting on every level.
The Trump administration cited the Alien Enemies Act to carry out 137 deportations, providing no names or evidence. Using other authorities, they say 11,000 migrants were deported in February. Outside the hearing, an ACLU lawyer representing a group of these deportees described what could be at stake.
Someone who was not even a gang member could now spend the rest of their lives in a Salvadoran prison.
Meanwhile, Kelly, there's another headline involving President Trump's directive on investigating certain law firms.
So the president issued a memo to his attorney general and Homeland Security secretary to sanction law firms that file suits the administration finds frivolous or penalize lawyers by pulling their security clearances. Tonight, critics say this is an inappropriate use of presidential power. Lester?
All right. Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.